So we came to MEIJER because we want to play games tonight. We're going to do family game night, and we have a categories game, and half the pieces are gone. It's like, where did the rest of this game go? And that's really what we wanted to play. So we came here to MEIJER to get another one because Walmart is sold out. They are having 50% off sales here. They have these plants, super cute, all 50% off. This has like a flannel wrap around it. $12.99, but 50% off of that. So these are really cute. Oh, look at this. Huh. Really cute. And they have these guys. All this. These look like ornaments. You can use these all year. Just take a little bow off. $12.99. This says LED. Let's see. How cute is that? It's $12.99. Cute. Huh. I love those planters. All the pillows, $24.99, $29.99 regular price. They're 50% off. All the Christmas candy. Still have some of this little trinkety stuff left. Rugs. Wipe your boots. All the cards, wood signs. That's cute. How much is that? It doesn't have a price. Oh, it says it on the shelf. The wooden sign. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how much that is. But it's 50% off. $50% off Chia Pets. Okay. All right. Oh, this is cute. Let's bake stuff and watch Christmas movies. A little wooden sign with a cookie cutter. Ornaments. Gift boxes. Fake snow. All kinds of cool stuff. 50% off here. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. I should get Josh one of these. How much are they? $3.99, but half price? Nah. Doesn't seem very cheap to me, so. Sprinkles. $5.99, so this would be $3. It's a good sized container, but nah. Cookie cutters. Oh, these are cute. Just look at all the clearance stuff, honey. These towels are nice. So like these are kitchen towels, but you could use these in the bathroom too. Ho ho ho, Noel, fa la la la. How much are they? Doesn't say how much they are. Yeah, I guess I don't know how much these towels are. It doesn't have a price. But they're 50% off. Okay, so I don't know how much these are, but if I don't like the price when we get up there, I just won't buy them. I'll just have them taken back off. Oh, this isn't the one that I wanted, but that's really cute too. I wanted the ho 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 ones. So I thought there was just two different kinds. And there's the categories game. I'm gonna go back and get the ho 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 towels too. And they're working on putting their Valentines out. All sorts of Valentine stuff out. Those are cute for a little gift. Yep. We'll have to do a Valentine shop with me some other time when they have more stuff out. They have a price checker. $4.99. Regular $10 for 2 towels. So it's $5 for these. I'll have to think about it. We're gonna go look for some snacks. Oh, here's more Christmas stuff on clearance. Ugly socks. Huh. That's what it says on the tag, ugly socks. So we're looking for some snacks to go with family game night. See anything you're interested in or anything in mind? We should have asked them what they wanted, but then we'd end up with $40 worth of snacks. It looks like the Dots pretzels are, oh, the honey mustard ones are on clearance. Those kind are good. Oh. Okay. Look at some of these. 16 ounce, 24 ounce. The 24 ounce and the 16 ounce are the same price because these are on clearance. Wonder why. I don't know, but my family will eat these. Ugh. For sure. All right, we're getting out of here now. Just a couple bags of regular potato chips. This is just regular potato chips too. The pretzels, you're getting some almonds, some gum, and yeah, that's it. You ready? All right, here's our little area we have set up. We have a TV out here in the kitchen tonight so we can watch the ball drop and whatever else these guys want to watch. We got some chips, we got the peanut butter filled pretzels. We can snack on those. I got some of these Dots honey mustard, just regular chips. We got some almonds. Did you get those to snack on tonight or just to have?
Either one.
Either one, okay. I put together a quick charcuterie board, our meat and cheese board. We still have some Christmas plates, so why not use those, right? And over here on the table, we have some games set up and ready to go. We ought to have the guys coming out here pretty shortly. This is the old categories game, and I mean, it's old, as you can see. But for whatever reason, all sorts of things are missing. The dice is missing, like the die that comes with it with all the letters, and just, I don't know. Somebody's been into it and didn't put things back where they go, so now we have a brand new game of categories. Here's the timer that was in with this game. We'll probably use this timer instead of the sand one. Anyway, and we'll probably play some of this too if you guys know what this is. I'm not going to explain it. I've never played it before, but I said, well, you know, we've got Hayden. I said, well, you know, Hayden's playing. He's only 14. And they're like, Mom, when you guys were gone on your weekends away to your concerts this past summer, he played with us and he won. Oh, God. Did you know he won?
No.
He won.
I don't even know what it is.
What? You don't know what it is? Well, it's not supposed to be for... I mean, I know he's 14 and all, but it's supposed to be for adults. I think it's like apples to apples. Josh, is that game like apples to apples, but an adult version?
Basically, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway.
Maybe one every time.
Huh?
Maybe one every time they play
Hayden's won every time that you've played?
Yeah, I think we played 3 times, maybe 4. Hayden's won every single time.
Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year. See you in the next one.